The hidden power of NLP. Most people think language is just words. But in the hands of someone trained in NLP neurolinguistic programming, words become weapons. They can bypass resistance, reshape beliefs, and pull the strings of human behavior without anyone realizing it's happening. This isn't about cheesy self-help slogans or motivational fluff. This is about psychological warfare. If you want to gain control over your emotions, command respect, and influence people at the deepest levels, these 7 NLP hacks will become your arsenal. Use them wisely, because once you see the power they hold, there's no turning back. The mind warfare mindset. Why NLP is the language of power. To master NLP, you must first understand what it is, the coded language of the subconscious mind. NLP doesn't just teach you what to say, it teaches you how to say it, when to say it, and why it cuts past surface resistance. Think of it as the blueprint for human behavior. Those who wield it can reshape their own state of mind, break others' defenses, and engineer outcomes that look like coincidence but are anything but. NLP hack number 1. The mirror principle. Reflect to control people. Trust those who seem like them. By subtly mirroring body language, tone, and even breathing rhythms, you create unconscious rapport. When done right, the person feels drawn to you, without ever knowing why. In practice, if they cross their arms, wait a few seconds and cross yours. If they lean forward, lean forward. Done skillfully, you become a psychological mirror, and the human brain interprets it as, this person is safe, this person is like me. That is the foundation of influence. NLP hack number 2. Anchoring emotion. Command your state instantly. Anchoring allows you to lock emotions to physical triggers. Imagine linking confidence to snapping your fingers or focus to tapping your thumb. With repetition, your brain wires these states to the anchor, letting you summon power on command. Athletes use this before competition. Negotiators use it before high-stakes deals. The real mastery, however, is anchoring others, linking your presence or voice to positive emotions in their mind. They won't even know why they feel drawn to you. NLP hack number 3. Language loops. Influence without resistance. The conscious mind resists commands, but the subconscious loves rhythm, stories, and loops. By structuring your language in patterns, you bypass defenses. For example, you might already be wondering how much easier your life will become when you apply this technique. The statement flows, it's circular, and the brain nods along. Master language loops, and you lead people into agreement without ever needing to argue. NLP hack number 4. Pattern interrupts. Break their mental armor. Every person walks around in a trance, habits, routines, scripts they follow without thinking. NLP gives you the weapon of interruption. A sudden question, a surprising statement, even an unexpected gesture can jolt someone out of their mental autopilot. In that split second of confusion, their defenses drop, and your next words sink directly into their subconscious. Pattern interrupts are how you reset the chessboard in any interaction. NLP hack number 5. Embedded commands. The covert persuasion tool hidden inside a longer sentence. Commands bypass resistance. For instance, as you sit there listening, you can begin to feel more confident in your own strength. The embedded command is feel more confident in your own strength. The conscious mind hears a casual statement. The subconscious receives an order. Politicians, advertisers, and world-class persuaders use embedded commands constantly. With practice, so can you. NLP hack number 6. Reframing reality. Turn weakness into weaponry. Perception is power. The same event can either destroy you or empower you, depending on the frame you put around it. NLP reframing is the ability to twist the meaning of a situation into something that serves you. Failure is not failure, it's feedback. Criticism is not an attack, it's proof you're making waves. When you learn to reframe, you become untouchable. People may throw shadows at you, but you'll turn every shadow into fuel. NLP hack number 7. Future pacing. Plant the seeds of control. The final hack is one of the most dangerous. Future pacing installs images of the future into someone's subconscious, nudging them toward the outcome you want. For example, imagine yourself closing that deal, shaking hands, feeling the victory. By painting mental movies of success, you pre-program their brain to walk into that scenario as if it's inevitable. Salespeople, leaders, and strategists use this to make the future feel pre-decided. And when the future feels decided, people walk straight into the script you've written for them. Final words. Master your mind. Master the room. These 7 NLP hacks are not just tricks, they are psychological weapons. Tools you can use to master your emotions, rewire your confidence, and influence the people around you with precision. But remember, Power is neutral. It becomes good or evil depending on how you wield it. Those who stay blind to NLP will always be controlled by it. Those who master it will always set the rules of the game. The choice is yours. Subscribe if you are ready to go to the next level. If you want to go deeper into the dark arts of influence and mental warfare, in the pinned comment I've linked one of the most complete guides below. Over 200 battle-tested tactics for mastering psychology and human behavior. Check it out, sharpen your arsenal, and keep building your mental dominance.